Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best screw remover is probably one of the most essential tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional tradesperson, especially when dealing with stripped, broken, or rusted screws that refuse to budge with conventional methods, saving you time, frustration, and the potential damage to your project that can result from stubborn fasteners. Number 5. GOOACC GRC 3120 PCS Car Retainer Replacement Kit. Introducing the GOOACC GRC 30, a comprehensive 120-piece car retainer replacement kit. It's designed to cover a wide range of automotive needs. This kit features 4 essential hole sizes: 6.3 mm, 8 mm, 9 mm, and 10 mm. These are perfect for replacing various push-pin rivets across many vehicle brands. Crafted from high-quality black nylon material, these clips are built to last. They offer excellent resistance to wear and corrosion, ensuring they won't break or crack easily. These fasteners are incredibly versatile, ideal for trim panels, door panels, bumpers, and fenders. They are also suitable for engine covers and splash shield replacements. Their applications extend beyond vehicles, making them useful for telecom equipment, appliances, and furniture. It's a truly multi-purpose solution. The package includes 120 assorted bumper push rivet clips in the specified sizes, plus a convenient fastener remover tool. Everything you need is right here. What we like. This kit offers a massive quantity of fasteners and a handy remover. If you're working on multiple vehicles or need a wide variety of clips for common repairs, this is a great value. It's perfect for general automotive maintenance where you might encounter various clip sizes. What people say. With this kit in hand, I don't have to be too concerned about breaking retainer clips as I go along. This saves me time, prevents rattles and keeps things looking neat because I have all the needed sizes to this point. More than enough clips and the tool is nice, allows removing the clips without damaging them. Pratique à l'auto pour démonter les portes de voiture. Number 4. iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit. Introducing the original electronics toolkit, designed for all your repair needs. It's perfect for computers, smartphones, tablets, and gaming devices. We've intentionally selected every tool you'll need for repairs. This includes a 64-piece precision bit driver set, tweezers, a flex extension, opening tools, and an anti-static wristband. Its magnetic case and foam insert ensure secure storage and easy transportation. The inside of the lid also doubles as a convenient sorting tray. We back this toolkit with thousands of free, easy-to-follow instructions. You'll have the guidance you need for any repair project. We stand by our product with a lifetime warranty. We'll replace anything that breaks, for as long as you own it. What we like. This is the ultimate toolkit for anyone serious about repairing electronics. If you frequently work on computers, smartphones, or tablets and demand high-quality, specialized tools, this is the investment for you. Its lifetime warranty also offers incredible peace of mind. What people say. This electronics tool kit comes with a comprehensive selection of tools that cater to a wide range of tasks. It includes a very well-made screwdriver with a vast array of bits and an extension, among other items. The variety of tools means I have everything I need for electronics repair, assembly, and maintenance all in one place. The quality of the tools is impressive. Each item feels sturdy and well-made, with a solid construction that inspires confidence during use. The handles on the screwdrivers and pliers are ergonomically designed, providing a comfortable grip that reduces hand fatigue during extended projects. The tools perform exceptionally well. The precision screwdrivers are perfect for working on small electronics, and the cover to the bit case doubles as a screw organizer, which is so helpful. Number 3. XEWEA 25 PCS Screw Extractor Set. This tool is forged from premium chromium molybdenum steel, offering superior corrosion resistance and professional-grade durability for long-lasting use. With 25 dedicated extractor sizes, it eliminates guesswork and ensures you have the right fit, even for damaged fasteners. Its multi-spline design provides a secure 360 degrees grip, ensuring a solid hold that prevents slippage and damage to the fastener wall. This set is designed to quickly remove broken, frozen, or stripped screws, bolts, nuts, and more, making it ideal for various repair tasks. It's built for mechanics and repair shops, handling the toughest jobs where other tools might fail. We offer 24/7 customer support. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us for a satisfactory solution. What we like. This set provides an extensive range of sizes for tackling even the most stubborn fasteners. If you're a professional mechanic or a DIYer who frequently encounters stripped, broken, or rusted bolts, this is your go-to solution. Its robust construction ensures it can handle high-torque applications. What people say. After drilling into the relatively small 12mm bolt, the Irwin didn't work for me. It has a square end that was hard to get a hold of. Tried the smallest extractor in this set. It bit in, and because of the shape of its end, you can use a socket and ratchet to turn it. It bit into the bolt, and the broken bolt unscrewed from the hold easily. Once the new extractor set came, I drilled a slightly deeper hole with an M42 drill bit, also for very hard metal, and twisted the extractor in by hand. After a quarter of a turn, it bit in so well, I didn't have to tap it in with anything. I removed it with a small handheld, multi-socket tool in a few minutes. I used the second smallest bit and drilled out the stripped hole in the screw with a 532 bit, as marked on the extractor itself. Hammered the extractor lightly into the screw and while pushing down on the extractor with one hand, turned the wrench with the other. The extractor bit into the screw immediately and 10 seconds later it was out. Number 2. XEWEA 13 PCS Screw Extractor Set. Crafted from high-quality, heat-treated chromium molybdenum steel, this tool is built for durability and resistance to damage. Its high-density spiral design allows for quick and easy removal of broken screws, bolts, nuts, and more. It works seamlessly with both power and hand tools. This comprehensive set includes 13 different sizes to tackle a wide range of extraction needs, ensuring you have the right tool for any job. Each piece is clearly stamped with its size for quick and easy identification. The chamfered bit ensures a perfect fit on fasteners, making your work more convenient. Whether you're working on car maintenance or handling everyday repairs, this set provides the convenience and reliability you need. We offer 7/24 customer support. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, and we'll provide a satisfactory solution. What we like. This kit offers a solid selection of essential screw extractors for common repair needs. If you're a homeowner or a hobbyist looking for a reliable set to handle everyday stripped screw situations without breaking the bank, this is an excellent choice. It's user-friendly for both manual and power tool use. What people say. This is a great tool for removing stripped screws. It works on various screw sizes and types. The drill bits are durable and don't break easily. Number 1. REBRA Screw Extractor and Left-Hand Drill Bit Set. Introducing the REBRA 26-piece set, your ultimate solution for removing damaged fasteners. This comprehensive kit is designed to tackle even the most stubborn bolts and screws. The set includes 14 versatile nut extractors that cover both SAE and metric sizes, from 1/4 inch up to 3/4 inch. A handy hex adapter is also included for your convenience. You'll also find 6 precision screw extractors and 6 left-hand HSS drill bits, all clearly marked for easy identification and use. These tools are built to last. Our left-hand drill bits are crafted from high-speed steel, offering superior strength and wear resistance. The 135 degrees angle design ensures precise drilling and smooth, clean holes. Experience unmatched gripping power with our precision-designed extractors. The reverse spiral grooves bite into fasteners, providing a secure grip that tightens as you turn, effortlessly removing stripped, rusted, or rounded-off bolts. We are dedicated to providing you with the best products and service. If you have any questions, our professional team is ready to assist you through the Amazon platform. What we like. This set uniquely combines nut extractors with left-hand drill bits for a comprehensive broken fastener removal solution. If you often deal with seized lug nuts or bolts that require drilling and extraction, this kit is designed for you. Its reverse spiral design ensures a strong grip on even the most damaged fasteners. What people say. The reverse cobalt high-speed steel bits are strong and sharp, and they cut into damaged fasteners quickly without walking or slipping. The extractors bite securely into the broken bolts or stripped heads and let you back them out with confidence. It was super easy to use, had such a wide variety of sizes, caused so little damage, and helped him stabilize so many parts, pieces, and places with ease and so much less repair to the surrounding wood. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.